Hi, today I'm going to make pork chops and sauerkraut in the Instant Pot pressure cooker. Easy meal, delicious. I have it on saute right now. I'm going to brown these up a little bit. Then I'm going to put them in there, stack them up nice, put some sauerkraut on top for 10 minutes under pressure. It's going to be so good and easy. Come on over. I got 6 pork chops. I haven't had this for a while. So these were buy one, get one free at Weiss Market. $1.58 a pound. Not bad. Swift brand. No bones. You can leave the fat on, but I think I want to cut it off. What do you think?
I would cut a little of that off.
Yeah, a little bit.
Just trim it a little.
Trim the fat. Careful there. Alright, I don't like that knife, but anyway, I'm letting this warm up. I'm going to put some olive oil in there. Just a little bit. I'll show you that. Saute. Is it warm? Oh, it's getting warm. Okay. I'll finish trimming these up. I said to Kathy, this fat will melt and make a nice flavor. And she said, yeah, but it'll also go into our hearts. Right?
Yeah, we want to keep our arteries as clear as possible.
Yeah. No laughing matter.
But there's still going to be enough fat on there to give some good flavor, especially with the sauerkraut.
Yeah. We're going to taste these at the end too, you know, so stick around and join us. All right. Should be warm enough to get a sizzle in there. Let's see. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm going to roll them around, brown them up a little bit. I don't want to cook them completely right now. Just get a nice sear on them. You'll see.
That keeps the juices in.
Yeah, the olive oil smells real good. Oh, yeah. The other white meat, remember? This is a 6-quart Instant Pot. You know we have an 8-quart too. But this is good for now. Sure smells good. Maybe I should brown 3 at a time. Nice. I'm going to take a couple of these out so I can get a more consistent light brownness on the other ones. Don't want to cook them like this. Want to pressurize them. We want to cook them under pressure with the sauerkraut flavor will be infused in there, and these will be so tender. They're not going to be very brown, but you get the idea. I mean, not brown, but they're browned.
They're seared.
They're beige.
They're going to be seared.
I'm going to beige these pork chops up a little bit. Alright, one more. I opened the lid. I'll take these pork chops out. Wow, now I smell that sauerkraut real strong. And you remember the story how I hated sauerkraut when I was a little kid. If you don't, it wasn't good. But now I love it, because I want to be a kid again. With my grandparents. I'm going to leave it on saute right now so it stays hot. I'm going to put a little bit of sauerkraut in the bottom. Just a little bit, like a little bed for them. Sometimes I would use a rack to put the meat in, but I just want to kind of stack them around, you know. So they're not really completely on the bottom of the pressure cooker. See that? Like a campfire. Now, I'm going to put the rest of this 32 ounces of shredded sauerkraut.
Can I just have a pinch?
Oh, she wants to eat that. This is good.
I like the raw stuff.
An hors d'oeuvre. Look at, so we got some liquid. We generally like to have 2 cups of liquid broth or water or whatever you want to use in there, but Oh boy. I'm gonna add like half a jar of this with water. That is gonna be so good. Flavorful. Third of a jar. Because I know that's enough. See it? We're not gonna put no salt in there. That's for sure. I'm gonna put a little pepper on it. I'm gonna stop, cancel the saute mode, put our lid on, make sure we're in pressure mode back here, which this one goes automatically. It has a push button to release. That's nice. See, I'm gonna go to, look at all the functions this one has. I'm gonna go to meat and stew. How's that? On high pressure, but I want 10 minutes, right?
10 minutes.
Look at that. Start. Okay. And this will show a graph as it goes up temperature and pressure.
That's one thing we love about this pot.
Yeah.
Is it shows us where it is in the temperature
You'll
range.
see it, yeah. So it's going to come up to pressure fast because it's already hot in there. And I'm going to set the table and pretty soon we're going to eat. What do you think?
I'm ready.
And I probably made something similar to this before because I have a playlist of pressure cooker videos, 269 videos I believe I have. Well, it'll be 270 when I add that. So we made so many things. I made pork chops and applesauce.
We made pork roast.
Oh, corned beef, roast beef, pasta,
All kinds of things.
pizza soup. But there's, you know, and some things I repeat a lot, like brisket, because I love it. We do it a lot with pressure cookers. It's hard to come up with a new idea, but it doesn't matter if I made corned beef 20 times, because I like it. You know? Or pulled pork. You hear my stomach? I hope you heard that. It's right there.
I heard it all the way over here.
I'm hungry. All right, set the table. See, it shows preheating down there. Starting to smell good. 10 minutes, it went up to pressure quick, and it says cooking down below. Won't be long now. Less than a minute remaining. And remember, this model just has a push button. Oh, there it is. Okay, look. This model, you know, sometimes you gotta turn them sideways with your finger, but this is just a push button. All right, I hear you. Push button, watch. All right. Whoa. You can see how it smells from here. Right back after that pressure's out. And you can't open this lid until all the pressure's completely out. That's a safety feature. There's a silver pin there. You'll see that drop when the pressure goes out. It'll go. And then you can open it. But open it away from you because there's always a blast of steam that comes out. You know that. Pressure cooker, pork chop and sauerkraut. What do you see how tender they are?
First I smelled the sauerkraut, now I smell the meat.
See that? The time has come. Magical tinkling musical lid. Oh, what a 10-minute gourmet meal. Oh, don't be too tender now. All right, I know I can squeeze that right off of there. All right, so I'm gonna put the meat onto a plate, and I'm gonna scoop the sauerkraut out onto a bowl.
Oh, that looks delicious, Rick.
Yes, and we can have these on a plate with sauerkraut and mashed potatoes or peas or corn, whatever you like. But I think we're gonna have them as a sandwich. Whoa, how's that? It beats a McRib, doesn't it?
Oh, yes.
And like I said, I could have browned them more to make them brown on the outside, but then they'd be almost cooked completely. And the pressure would really pulverize them then. But I wanted them cooked mostly under pressure. So how many I put in?
6.
Is that how many I got out?
I didn't count, but I don't see any more in there.
Give me the bowl. Give me the bowl. Everybody, back in the bowl. Yes. Imagine this on a roll. You do, right?
Yeah.
And I don't have to use a slotted spoon, but I am.
Well, we're still getting some of the nice juices.
Yeah. All right, let's sit down and try this. Let me show you how good it's going to be. Come on over. Here they are.
Katie,
You want some of them? Can't wait.
they look delicious. Yeah.
I can't get over the fact how much I hated sauerkraut when I was a kid.
Yeah.
You heard it before. How y'all doing? We're going to take a bite of this. I'm going to put it on a roll. What do you think of that?
Would you like a nice roll?
Yes, this is like a steak sandwich roll, hoagie roll. Look, the shape. You want one first? Here.
Okay.
You want like 1.5?
I'm just gonna separate this one a little
Get
bit.
a nice shape. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this one in half too. Well, we could probably do it with a butter knife, right? I'm going long ways.
Oh, you're going long ways.
Oh,
I'm going side to side.
okay.
I'm
Tender.
just gonna spread it out like 2 halves. Oh, it is nice in there.
Oh, yes.
I just need a bite of that. Yum yum.
Cover it with sauerkraut like a nice sauerkraut and pork chop sandwich. Add whatever else you like here. What would you like here? Mustard?
Well, I'm gonna use some of this. Maybe you will.
Ooh.
I'm gonna use this garlic parmesan sauce.
See? You can make it however you want. Enough or more?
Oh, more.
That's right. She eats it raw, remember?
I like. Okay, good. Thank you. Oh, that looks great.
Taking a bite.
Oh, wait. I'm gonna add a little sauce.
I can't wait. You cut yours in half.
Yeah, but I'm putting a little of that sauce.
Cheese. Cheers.
Cheers.
That did look like cheese. Cheese whiz. Mmm.
Oh my goodness. You did good.
You helped.
Well, some people wanted us to cook our supper for Friday night videos sometimes, so that's why we made this, and I'm glad we did.
Yeah, but it's hard to find something we didn't cook already. You know? But there's all kind of variations, like when I made pulled pork, I made so many different flavors.
We'll never run out of ideas.
Yeah, root beer, I made chipotle.
We were just hungry for this.
Look at the meat though. I just want to. It's so tender. Yeah, you could have this with potatoes, right? What would you have if it was a meal?
Mashed potatoes and some kind of veggie like peas or green beans or something. That's what I would have. And I'm glad we have leftovers because that's what we're going to have.
I guess I'll eat that for lunch one day. For work. I still work. I didn't retire yet. I got more subscribers last week because I asked to please subscribe.
Thank you for adding subscribers.
And then we figured, I think thumbs up helps too, because if I got 3,000 views and 3,000 thumbs up, YouTube will share it more, I think. So give us a thumbs up. And check Kathy's channel, please. And make this. It's so good and easy.
I got more subscribers this week too, so probably some people went there and also subscribed, so I thank you for
And
that.
I always have a link to Kathy's channel in the video description. And you can also get yourself an Instant Pot down there, if you want to. How many do we have now? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a couple brands. Still got that 14 quart over there.
We got some nice ones.
What did I
But we
make in
use
there?
them.
I made like 8 pounds of spaghetti in there or something weird.
Depending what we're going to make,
That's
we
all
choose
on
the
my
right pot.
yeah. That's all on my pressure cooker playlist.
Hope you guys can have something like this for supper tonight
Yeah,
too.
have a nice weekend.
More sauerkraut. You want to try the garlic parmesan?
Maybe, yeah.
It's pretty robust. Be careful.
Yeah, I'll try that.
This is Sweet Baby Ray's, and it's a version garlic parmesan.
All right, see ya. Take care. Bye. See you tomorrow.